Okay, hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion, that is 1813 sentence similarity 3, and on this will be given two strings, sentence 1 and sentence 2, and each will be representing a sentence composed of words. And a sentence is a list of words that are separated by a single space with no leading or trailing spaces, and each word consists of only uppercase and lowercase English characters. And we'll be given two sentences, S1 and S2 are considered similar if it is possible to insert an arbitrary sentence which can be possibly empty inside one of the sentences says that the two sentences become equal. Note that the inserted sentence must be separated from existing word by space. Okay, for example, in the first sentence we are having hello Jane, and in the second sentence we are having hello, my name is Jane. So this can be made equal. Basically both of these sentences can be made equal if we just add my name is in between hello and Jane in the sentences one, so it will be returned true. Okay, but frog cool and frogs are cool is not similar, because in the sentence one we are having frog, and in the sentence two are having we are having frogs. Firstly, so this is not possible. Yeah, if the statement would happen like frogs cool and frogs are cool, so that can be, and so then it would have returned true, because we can just add an r between frogs and cool, and that would have done the work. Okay, so we'll be given two sentences. We have to return true if sentence 1 and sentence 2 are similar, otherwise we have to return false. Okay, so initially the sentence 1 is equal to my name is Haley, and sentence 2 is my Haley. So yeah, it's again true, because we can just add name is between Haley and my and Haley, so we'll be having our answer. Okay, so firstly let's try to break down this. We'll be basically using four pointers. We'll be keeping a pointer in sentence 1, a pointer in sentence 2, and we'll be incrementing till we find that the words occurring over at that places are same. Then we'll be start reversing from the right hand side of the both the sentences. Then we'll be checking that if the words we are finding are same or not. And at the end we'll be just returning that our pointer 1 should be greater than the pointer 2. Okay, so firstly let's we don't have to work with any spaces, so let's just split the array on the basis of spaces. So string words 1, so that words 1, so that will be equal to sentence 1 dot split on the basis of spaces, and then let's have a sentence split sentence 2 on the basis of spaces. And let's for the simplicity, let's just keep that the length of words 1 should be greater than the length of words 2. Okay, so if we'll be adding a check that if words 1 dot length is less than words 2 dot length, we'll be returning our sentences similar, and we'll be passing sentence 2 as sentence 1 and sentence 1 as sentence 2, sentence 1. Okay, now let's have initial pointer which will be pointing in the front for both the arrays. So p1 equal to 0 and p2 is equal to 0. So while p because we are considering that the length of word 1 is greater, so while p2 is less than words 2 dot length, and the words at both our array are same, and uh, words 1 the p1 is equal to the dot equals words 2 p2, and in this case we'll be incrementing both p1 and p2 as well. Now let's we need to keep a pointer at the right hand side. Okay, so int p3 which is equal to words 1 dot length minus 1, and p4 which is equal to words 2 dot length minus 1. Now again we'll be having a while loop, that while p4 is greater than or equal to p2, and words words 1 p1 dot equals words 2 p2. In this case we'll be decrementing the pointer, so p3 minus minus and p4 minus minus, and at the end we'll be just returning that my p2 should be greater than p4. Okay, now let's give it a run. Cannot find words. 2 dot length. PR4 not. Let's give it a run again. Wrong answer. I must have made a mistake. That sentence 1 dot split. Sentence 2 dot split. Okay. Words 1 dot length is less than words return as in sentence to sentence. While P2 is less than words 2 dot equals. Okay. Words. Oh, here it should be P3 P4 instead. Yeah. Now let's give it a run again. And it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it gets accepted as well, and the works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.